You can imagine a payroll system where you have to fill in over 14,000 handwritten forms and send them into a processing centre every fortnight. There's no traceability and visibility of those forms. The schools don't always know what they've put in until very late in the process. That's quite frustrating. We knew there was a better way to deliver complex payroll. Education payroll is one of the largest payrolls in Australasia. We pay over 100,000 teachers. That represents about 2,500 schools. The vision was to take a very manual paper-based system and transform it into an online, easy-to-use digital experience. Imagine a build that takes weeks to set up the infrastructure. With the Red Hat OpenShift technology, it allows us to literally push a button and 30 seconds later I have a fully built server, an application container and an application deployed.
It's a very flexible container platform that's able to run on any cloud, and it's really reliable for any system you throw at it.
This application does so much to help school administrators all across New Zealand keep their payroll up to date, accurate, and on time.
And reducing the admin's time by 25%. So for me, it was about schools. It's important for our kids to get a good education. It's really powerful why it matters to deliver this payroll accurately and on time.